let's be real how most real estate agents practice and operate in today's world. You see, as a real estate agent, you run ads, you get zero leads, you open houses, you come home maybe around 8 p.m., you drop your keys on the counter, you sit down, or maybe sometimes you don't even take a shower. You just go straight to your laptop only to see 1,000 organized leads coming from your ads. Now, let me tell you, you know the rule. We all know the rule. You see, speed to lead. If you don't respond to an inquiry within 5 minutes, everyone knows that in the industry, your chances of converting those leads will drop by 80%. But you're a human being. You can't answer calls while you're driving. You can't reply to texts at 2 a.m. in the night. And definitely, you shouldn't be, spending 4 hours a day asking people if they have pre-approval letters. You shouldn't be doing that, right? Now, here's the mindset that I want you to shift. AI isn't here to replace you as a real estate agent. Buyers and sellers buy you, okay? They don't just buy you, they buy your trust, your negotiation skills, your local market knowledge. But AI handles the repetitive, the high friction. So you only show up for revenue generating conversations. That is what AI is actually there for you, to remove all those high static friction that have been in your system for long. Explain how this works, all right? Let me show you how the back end actually is broken down. This is not any science fiction. It is a simple, streamlined machine, all right? Number one, AI comes with an instant speed to lead response. What am I talking about? The moment a lead drops into your pipeline from an advertisement, or you miss an inbound phone call, the system triggers an instant natural voice or a text follow up within 15 seconds. All right, it acknowledges their specific requirement. Let's say, for an example, if it was a property in, let's say, in two main streets, right? Whether it's a property listing or a general buyer or seller request, this AI is going to trigger it within 15 seconds. We're not talking about 2 minutes, we're talking about within 15 seconds, which means at that moment your leads are already warm. They came through you because they were actually interested in what you posted on maybe your social media account. It could be your Instagram or your Facebook ad or your Zillow. This AI triggers an instant response. So making this, lead to actually feel warm as, okay, these people are very fast and they know what I'm talking about. So which means your leads are urgent. Number two, conversational lead qualification. Now, instead of sending generic link, the AI engages in a natural back and forth conversation. We're not talking about a chatbot. Remember, this AI has the ability to ask key qualifying questions that you have been asking from this list. Let's say, for an example, what is your target timeline to purchase? Are you pre-approved or are you buying with cash? This agent has the ability to ask these sort of questions for you. Budget range. Are you working with another agent? That is the kind of questions these systems can actually do for you and more to come. So thirdly, automatic pipeline sorting and calendar booking. This is what I love the most. Very much important. I mean, this has been helping real estate agents. Any real estate agent who is using artificial intelligence, acts. AI has the ability of sorting pipeline, filtering out time wasters, price checkers, people who always repeat your price. This AI has the ability of doing that. So let's say if the lead is not qualified yet, okay, or if the lead actually replied to you by saying, okay, they need time to purchase a property. Let's say we need more time in the next 1 year. The AI agent is going to tag them and put them into a long-term nurture sequence. If they are not qualified, the AI checks your real, if they are not qualified, the AI will actually put them in a nurture sequence. But if they are qualified, the AI checks your real-time availability on your calendar you have set, which we have already connected to this agent. Okay, it books them straight onto your calendar, sending both you and the client a confirmation link. It is as simple as that. So when you are on the phone in the morning, right, you don't need to see an unsorted list of names. You only see confirmed appointment with pre-qualified clients who are actually ready to talk business with you. That is the kind of people you will actually see. The reason your competitors are winning right now on the market is not because they replaced themselves with robots. It's because they built a hybrid operation. The AI handles the 100% of the initial outreach, the filtration, the scheduling. The human will only handle 100% of the relationship, the negotiation, and the closing. Like I told you, your client only needs three things from you. Don't think AI is going to replace you: your relationship, your negotiation, and closing. So you eliminate every guesswork, you eliminate the ghosting, and most importantly, you get back your time. You get back the ability for you to be very much flexible, knowing that you have a system that helps you sort out every 1,000 lead that comes from any of your lead source. Are we together, guys? Now, I don't, expect you to take my word for it, like everything I've said about what system does. I understand. You need to see how smoothly this actually sounds. Right now, down in the description, the pinned comment, there is a link to try out the live demo. You can put your phone number and you test it, AI agent yourself, and see exactly how it qualifies and handles your leads in real time. So if you want this exact system deployed into your real estate agency, completely done for you, so you can just focus on closing, click the link below and run the demo and book a quick breakdown call with us. Let's get your calendar full of qualified buyers, not missed calls. So yeah, drop a comment if you have any question, and please subscribe for more breakdown like this, and I will see you in the next video.